Hi, my name's Tucker, and this is my submission for Simple Toggle for worksheet 2. So here's my circuit. You can see I have pin 8 going to my LED, then to a 220 ohm resistor and ground. My button is just powered on and then grounded. You can see that when I click the button, my LED turns on. When I click it again, it turns off. When I hold it, it cycles. This is also reflected in my serial monitor. So when I press it, it's currently off, so I press it on. Oh, I cycled it, so I press it on, press it off, press it on, press it off, hold it down, and it cycles. So looking at my code now, 1 second. You can see I set up my pins, I set up some variables for my toggle state, I set up my LED to be either written high or low, and my button pin to be reading via input pull-up, which goes through that 20 kilo ohm resistor, make sure the button isn't overdrawing current. Then going to my loop, at the beginning of each loop iteration, I get the current state of the button. If it's high, it does nothing. If it's low, we set a 200 millisecond delay to deal with button bounce. And then say that the button has been pressed as you saw, flip the toggle, and then you can think of this next if statement as false being off and true being on. So if it is equal to false currently, then it writes it high and turns the LED on. If it was true, then it's gonna turn it off and write it low. And that just repeats.